Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to get free money for free. And but by the way, don't mind the guy that's gonna this guy's just like a stock footage, so don't mind him. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna show you some apps right here. Fastcash.gg is you watch YouTube videos and you can get up to 1,000 and beyond. So basically you're gonna watch some YouTube videos and those videos could be like pretty cool. You can watch them by yourself, or you can watch with your family. You're gonna get some money. You're gonna earn money like that, and just like that, step-by-step tutorial. You're gonna do some numbers, get some calculations in your head, and as you can see, this is actually really profitable because you don't have to do anything. You don't need no experience for this. You just watch some videos on YouTube, and basically what that does for you is gonna get money, and super fast. It's gonna be super fast. You don't need to matter about scamming. This is like so legit. This is the most legit thing ever. So what you need to do right here is create your account. You're gonna register, or you can create account. So I'm gonna register. I'm gonna put in my details like that, password, of course, everything. I'm gonna sign up, and my name is Dave, by the way, if you guys didn't know. My name is Dave. Yeah, my name is Dave. Let's earn some money. Am I right, guys? So let's go to the YouTube automation blueprint, or not. We can do something else. We can go further into the website, and right here you can make some surveys, or you can get a crypto money back guarantee, of course. You get surveys, you get Cash App, whatever you prefer, really. Personally like PayPal, so I'm gonna do some PayPaling. You can get paid to do. You can just do anything in this website. You can just play games and you can earn money like that. So basically my wife died a couple of days ago, and I'm just trying to make money. You see, don't get mad at me if this doesn't work. Okay, let's do more calculations, and now you can collect decent revenue online. Did you know that? You can get paid to listen to music. Who doesn't like music? I personally love music. My favorite artist is Bob Rhythm, if you didn't know. Why So Serious is one of their greatest tracks of all time. Anyway, I'm getting out of topic here. This website is amazing. You feel me? You're gonna listen to some Spotify stuff, and you're gonna have fun with it. You're gonna be like, yes, music. I love music. It's an instant payout, of course. Deposits to your bank. Another app. So this one, you can take surveys, and you can earn cash, and you can get paid. Fuck bitches, get paid, as you can say. But in this case, you don't fuck bitches. You get some surveys, and you say answers. Anyway, it's on Google Play, so you might need to grab your mobile phone for this one. But what the fuck? Another website is earn.ut. So as you can see, you can have some great games. And another app is digital gift cards. So you get digital gift cards just like that, and the gift cards will be amazing, really. I like the gift cards because it's like a gift, and it's a card, so it's a straightforward name. Another website is the easiest way to earn money online. EarnLab allows you to. I don't want to read any of that, really. We don't need to read anything. No, nothing. You just go for that, and you're gonna play some games. We're gonna play some game. Who doesn't like games? Who doesn't like Monopoly? Come on, man. Let's just play the game and have some fun. And if you play the game, don't do that. Do not. Don't you ever do that. Don't ever do that. All right. Next up is instantly rewarded. And it's again a survey. Fuck surveys get paid, as I said. service for you right here. You can sign up with Google or Facebook. I personally sign up with Facebook because my Facebook is amazing. If you want to follow me on Facebook, it's Martin Plemenov. Martin Plemenov. I know my name is Dave, but it's a fake name, right? This is when I was born. Of course, I was born that year, and now we're gonna we're gonna have this one, a survey pop. You're gonna make money fast, and you're gonna make it really, really fast. If you know what I'm saying. you're gonna go easy money is life. Just like that. You can make like $5 a day with that. Anyway, the next step is you win instant contest. It's obviously on your mobile phone, so you need to grab your mobile phone and press a little bit of buttons on your mobile phone. I've been making online for 1.5 years on. Anyway, this is my Instagram. Yep. This is my Instagram. Yep. So follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here, and I want you to follow me because my wife died not so long ago. Really, it's been really tough on me. So I will follow. Yeah. So to be fair, Fast Cash is great. My name is Dave. Yep, my name is Dave. Yep. You guys can see how I just have everything done here. It's like you just do everything for me, and like that. But leave a comment, and